What would you do if you could be invisible for a day? 1. Take a friend to a casino and tell them to put all their savings on red. I'm making sure that the ball lands on red. Getting financial independence is one reasonably achievable thing in a day of invisibility. All other ideas may have entertaining factor, but the long-term consequence of financial independence is the winner. 2. I'd sneak into Congress and slap everyone, one by one, over and over again. Bipartisan slaps, no party is off limits. Then when they stand up, kick them in the butt and whisper in their ear, "This is your Lord and Savior, and I'm watching you." That should screw with their mind. 3. Nothing legal. If I end up with invisibility for a day, you best believe I'm using it to make sure that every visible day after is one lived in comfort. I'll just make sure my fingerprints don't appear anywhere. 4. I'd probably sneak into a zoo and convince everyone that penguins can fly. They can fly. They're just afraid of heights. 5. I would